In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Spotify on your Garmin Vivo Active 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up Spotify on any Garmin watch model, including the Vivo Active 5. So these steps are going to work for any model of Garmin watch that you have. So to start, you need to download the Spotify application. If you still don't have the Spotify application on your Garmin Vivo Active 5, you will be able to download it using Garmin Connect IQ. So go over to the Garmin Connect IQ application, and in there you can find Spotify. Once you download it in your Garmin Vivo Active 5, all that you have to do is sign into your account. So open Spotify on your Vivo Active 5, enter your Spotify login credentials, and you will be able to sign in. If you don't get the prompt on the watch itself, it is going to redirect you into the Garmin Connect application where you can do the exact same steps. So inside of the Garmin Connect app, you will once again get the prompt to sign in with your Spotify account and connect both services. Keep in mind that you will need a Spotify premium subscription active, and as long as you connect it through Garmin Connect with the Spotify application available on the Garmin Connect IQ store, you will be able to get this done. So you will be able to see all of the music, all of the albums, all of the playlists and podcasts that you have available on your Garmin watch. You can repeat these steps with any other model that you have, and as long as you sign in with your Spotify credentials after you are redirected into the Garmin Connect application, you will be able to get this done and use Spotify on your Vivo Active 5. Make sure that you use the Garmin Connect IQ application to keep it up to date, and it is going to remain installed as an app available for the Vivo Active 5 once you download it once. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Spotify on Garmin Vivo Active 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.